7 drinks that fight inflammation. Simple teas and drinks that can help fight inflammation. Green tea infusion contains polyphenols that fight inflammation. Simply add a tea bag to boiling water. You can add lemon juice to taste. Crushed ginger tea. Ginger has a spicy sweet taste, therefore making lovely tea. Best when fresh. Add 1 teaspoon to boiling water and lemon to taste. Apple cider vinegar. ACV is good for gut health by balancing acids in the stomach. Soothes an upset tummy. Baking soda and warm water. Baking soda may reduce inflammation related to autoimmune diseases such as arthritis. Do not use it for more than 7 days. Parsley tea. Parsley tea can be a natural remedy for menstrual pains and cramps. It has compounds assisting with hormonal balance. Turmeric milk. Curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, good for relieving menstrual pain. Add turmeric powder to hot milk and a pinch of black pepper. Rooibos. Rooibos is high in antioxidants and is caffeine-free. It has soothing properties. Add 1 tea bag to boiling water and honey or lemon to taste.